Guys, I'm filming this after evolving Cranidos. We forgot to do a day with Roark first. So I'm going to just insert this video before evolving Cranidos. So you will see this part first, before anything else. Just repeating a day with Roark.
Hey!
Enjoy watching.
Yikes. Yes?
I bet you could do it.
Sure. Leave it to me.
Again?
Oh, man. Yes? Yikes. I can do it!
And guys, time for the main thing. Enjoy watching. Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. We are doing evolution stories. We have quite a lot to go, guys. This is Roark, or I think it's pronounced as Roark? Roark? We'll see. Let's check. Go to Dex. I think he's a 3-star character. Move, Rock type. And guys, I'm planning to do this very soon for all the characters. In the meantime, this is his voice. How do you even go to his voice right now? Not you.
I will smash my way through any obstacle. I'm Roark, a
Roark.
gym leader.
Okay. And I didn't know that you can actually do the Pokemon as well. I'm stupid. Roark. Okay, this is Roark. And we are going to evolve his Cranidos. Singpair stories. Roark. Cranidos. Evolution. 2 Rampardos. Let's do it. 116 out of 5. We have so many evolution shards, guys. So many evolution shards. I will try my best to show you guys the sync move
Yes?
of Cranidos before evolving him. And we'll do the sync move as well after evolving him.
I see.
Yes?
Ready.
We already evolved Nosepass.
Witness the strength of my rock-type Pokemon!
Kind of inconsistent, but okay. That's how the game goes. Nothing we can do.
Let's battle.
Okay, show me your toughness,
I'm ready.
Roxanne.
Smash it!
And what do we do? Smackdown.
Now's my chance.
Again, we'll try to use our sync move first. Wait a minute, why does Nosepass have Dazzling Gleam? It's a fairy type move, right?
Gonna rock this battle!
Sure it fits. I don't mind wasting that.
Time to put pen to paper. I'm ready.
Gonna rock this battle. They don't call me a rock for nothing. Smash it!
One hit KO. Rock Sync Impact. And after evolves, name will become much nicer and more personalized. And with that said, enjoy.
Thanks.
Evolution time!
Seeing a Pokemon evolve always rocks my world.
Ta-da! Rock Head Smash. Let's try it out. Let's try Rampardos in a battle with Roxanne. It still says Cranidos evolution and the Pokemon will still be Cranidos. But once you battle,
Excuse me.
permanently Rampardos. Let's do it.
Now, let's battle. I'm ready.
Smash it!
Smackdown.
Go!
Now's my chance.
I'll show you how tough I am.
Do your best.
I'll show you how tough I am.
Leave it to me.
Gonna rock this battle.
Time to put pen to paper. I'm ready.
Here we go, guys. Rock Head Smash.
Gonna rock this battle. They don't call me a rock for nothing. Smash it!
Definitely much better animations and all. And with that said, Nosepass is
I
defeated.
won't be crushed so easily.
Rampardos is cool. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't, because every subscription helps me, guys. Help me out. Help me out, please. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video with other evolution stories complete.